Today doing a gun review on Murmur that has two good things right here: arc damage and fire damage. You can switch in between them. Right now I got some fire. They got 3 different stocks. They got the soft ballistic, cob ballistic, and linear composition. You got better grenade throwing for us, upgrade damage, enhance. There's 3 upgrades right here you could do: enhanced battery, lightweight, snapshot. This gives you 2 more agility to your character. Aiming is gonna increase fully fast, and magazine size bigger. Knee pads slide further while this weapon is equipped. That is nice. And these are just upgrade damages. This is what it looks like. It's awesome. And apparently it could upgrade. That's what the rune cores are used for. The Murmur. Make sure you have rune cores. That's good. See you on the next freaking video.